Welcome to Ascent Equity Group. We are so happy that you've joined our investor club. We're going to be sending out some updates via email in the coming weeks.
You know, it's a little bit different than what a lot of people do. And so
we think that there's a ton of value in doing that. And we make passive real estate really truly passive because we're doing all the work. I know I don't do all that work on my own passive investments because it's just hard to do that when you have so many of them. And because we have a team that we've built up and all this experience, our asset manager, director of asset management, has over 30 years of experience. And some of our sponsors have said he's the best in the game for when it comes to that stuff.
We trust the team. We've been working with Peter, Pranay, and Myth for a couple of years, and we love the team effort that they have created for us, the community in medicine. Myth is the numbers guy, Pranay is definitely the teacher, and Peter just orchestrates it all together.
They are so approachable and their communication is great, and they make you so comfortable when you invest with them because they are experts in their field. Selective in making sure that they have the best of the best and partner with the best operators to develop outstanding returns to their investor base. And when we come to the table, they are able to bring us custom returns that are not available in the marketplace. If you get a seat at their table, they're able to take your returns to the next level.
I've done 4 deals so far with Ascent, and I've been pretty happy. The distributions are coming regularly, some quarterly, some monthly, but very reliable, and they're great about doing the office hours, giving you updates, sending you emails. You can ask them about how the properties are doing when you hear about weather fiascos like flooding in Dallas or things like that.
I think what really sets apart Ascent from other similar companies is that we really pride ourselves on being focused on operating a property. And so what that means is that every single week on calls, we're making sure the business plan is going exactly the way that we want it to. We're on site, really making sure that everything looks right, the renovations are going according to plan. And we really think in this day and age with a potential recession coming on, that those who are able to operate their property the best are the ones who are going to be able to get outsized returns, and that's what we aim to achieve.
I'm so proud we're all in this together, and Peter, Myth, and Pranay were instrumental in getting me involved. Thank you so much to the Ascent Group.